Hello everyone, this video is about introduction to WAN technologies. WAN, the wide area network. Yes, we need to learn some of the basic devices which are needed and the technologies, particularly to implement the WAN technology. Before that, we'll see some basic features of WAN. So, what is WAN? Yes, the wide area network connectivity. It helps people to send information to one place to another place which are geographically distant to each other. Suppose for an organization, it has a branch office in many places which are geographically distant to each other. Then at that time, the WAN technology helps people to send information, share the resources from one place to another. So that is the main important point of this WAN technology. Otherwise, it can be said as the WAN establishes communication over the internet. What about the enterprise WANs? Yes, the enterprise WANs means it is interconnecting the local area networks. The local area networks, we can think of some private organizations and its branches, and then interconnecting them is called as the enterprise WANs. And this enterprise WANs, the terminology that has been changed over years recently, and it has been moved into the MPLS services. We'll learn about the MPLS in a separate video later. And then, what about the WAN technology? Yes, it helps people to connect and communicate over the internet. Then it needs some additional features and other techniques for supporting all these connectivity. So, with the existing things, with the existing devices and technology that is used for local area network, it is not possible to have a WAN connectivity. Hence, we need some experts and skilled technicians to support this WAN connectivity. So, who is that entity which is needed for WAN connectivity? Yes, that's the internet service provider. The service provider owns the specific devices needed for WAN as well as the protocols and technology needed for the WAN services. And he only takes the overall responsibility in the WAN space, which means the installation, the configuration, and the management of the WAN devices is all being taken care by the service providers themselves. And yes, with the existing devices and technology, it's not possible to establish a ban means then definitely you have to rethink about the physical as well as the data link layer options. So we are going to see about the physical and the data link layer options needed for the WAN technology.